What if I told you that writing alone is not the only practice that will improve your writing? What if I told you that there was a tool which doesn't require anything, which doesn't cost anything, that can improve your writing? This sounds too good to be true, right? But it is true, and I will explain to you why. And this leads me to today's topic, the topic of mindfulness. You might have heard it before. You might have heard about all the benefits that come from mindfulness. And if you haven't, what I'm referring to when I say mindfulness is observing your thoughts. You can do it while sitting down or standing up. All that matters is that you make an effort to observe your thoughts. I invite you to do it. Maybe set aside 30 seconds and try to observe your thoughts. What you will get from it is not only the benefits that mindfulness have, maybe relaxing yourself, maybe improving your focus, but another thing is that you will learn about how you think about the world. The one thing that you will notice is that your mind keeps on wandering, that even after years of practice, is that you won't reach the point of total emptiness of thought. And what is more interesting for your writing is observing the thoughts while going about your daily life. If you interact with other people, if you go through challenging times, observing your thoughts in these situations will help you understand how you think, will help you understand what associations in your mind exists, how you connect specific thoughts together. If you look at a beautiful landscape, for example, try to observe your thoughts. Try to understand what goes through your mind. Is it maybe that you look at this landscape and think, it would be great to go on holiday there. It would be great to drive around with your motorcycle in this landscape. What you will see is that all of these associations, all of these thoughts arising in your head are tied to the beauty of that landscape, but somehow distract you of what it is that makes that landscape beautiful, what beauty actually is. As a writer, what we are, of course, focused on is replicating these experiences, trying to raise these thoughts in the heads of our audience. And so I would recommend to you to practice mindfulness, to sit down and observe your thoughts. It must not necessarily be a regular practice. The regular practice is just there to get yourself used to the thought, to observe your thoughts. I think after a while, you will learn to take a step back and observe what's happening. All of that is already practicing. All of that will make you a better writer. If you enjoy this video, there's another video I recorded on why writers shouldn't read broadly. You can see it right now on the screen. That's it for today. See you on the next video.